focus to another big story that we are getting for you right now. And this is about Mamta Banerjee, who has in fact appeared in Calcutta High Court dressed in a lawyer's attire. She is going to be there, and she is going to be the advocate for post-poll violence case. She's going to appear at the bench as an advocate for post-poll violence case. She is being accompanied by Chandrima Bhattacharya and Kalyan Banerjee. A PIL, in fact, has been filed by TMC at Calcutta High Court against post-poll violence in West Bengal. Rajesh, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast more on this. Rajesh, give us more details.
Yes, absolutely. Mamta Banerjee has appeared before the division bench of Chief Justice at Kolkata High Court as an advocate. This time she has appeared in person as an advocate to appear before the division bench of Chief Justice in connection with the post-poll violence case, which was filed by TMC yesterday. And that matter has been filed by Shishennu Banerjee, who is also an advocate and son of advocate Kalyan Banerjee, senior TMC MP and senior advocate Kalyan Banerjee's son. Shishennu Banerjee has filed a public interest litigation before the bench of Chief Justice in connection with the post-poll violence case in West Bengal, and TMC has been alleging that people have been killed by BJP after the election results was over, and in connection with this case a PIL was filed, and this for this PIL Mamta Banerjee as an advocate, she has reached Kolkata High Court and she will appear before the division bench of Chief Justice at Kolkata High Court, and she is in lawyer's attire because we know she will appear as an advocate, not as a
well, we have seen her like this earlier as well. In February 2026, when she was the Chief Minister of Bengal, she appeared in the Supreme Court of India dressed in a black advocate's robe to argue a case regarding the special intensive revision of voter list in Bengal.